guys, it's been a while, right? I've been really waiting for this package here. You know, like I've been using the other product from Godox, which is the FV150, which is like COB LED light, has some kind of flash function built into it. But you know, I bought it mainly to use my videos, and that's what I've been making all my videos at my studio at my house. And about a week later, I saw that Godox was bringing out this like new V-mount, kind of like the APUTURE like 120D looking like light. So I've been waiting, and I finally got it. The box here. I've been really busy for the last like 2-3 days, so I have not had chance to open this. I've been trying to convince myself, so I'm going to do the unboxing video, which I've never done before. And I set up everything and realized I didn't bring my knife. Yeah, I mean, it's what it is. It feels like there's always some small thing that I forget or I miss. Anyway, so this is the Godox VL150. It's one of the new light. They announced it a few months ago, and there has been a lot of good feedback from other YouTubers who tried this product, and I believe that they are making this product to be in the interest, like the price range that's not like breaking your bank. At the same time, you'll be able to get somewhat like professional, like quality lights. So anyways, let's open this box. I've been waiting for about 3 days now. What kind of tools I can use? I think I can probably take this one out. I'll clean that up later. Okay. So when you open the box, so VL150 and VL200 and 300, maybe not 200, yeah, they come with this nice carrying case, which the previous FV series doesn't. Let's see what's in the box. So when you open the box, there's a nice like kind of safety strap, not just like holding lids. You know, Godox like warranty cards and other manuals. What else is there? Key product, some product catalog, and the dividers that you can kind of customize in the back. And the basic reflector. I'm gonna put it here. I guess this thing probably came inside. Yeah, I guess so. And there you go. The light. The light, finally. It's actually a lot smaller than the one that I have, which is the FV150. Probably because like they put the power unit separately to have a V-mount kind of battery compatibility. But this is like almost like half size of the other units. Pretty interesting. Okay, let's put this on the side. There should be one more thing. I really like this case actually. So it's like well built, surprisingly, at this price range. Okay, so now I think this is the main power cable. Looks like a decent length. And okay, there you go. So this is the power adapter that you can use. So it has antennas here. I think, are they for using the tiny remote that comes together? It's actually very light. It's not super heavy, and also it has a V-mount kind of battery adapter at the back, and this retractable like cable that you can hang this unit on the side of your light stand, which is pretty handy. Yeah, let's put that on the sides. Oh, I'm getting out of space here. I think there should be one more. Maybe two more. So this looks like an additional cable. And another cable. I don't know why I would need this many cables, but more the better. And the remote. So this tiny remote, I think they are like all working together. Even the remote that came with the FV150, it looks identical, other than some of the writing in the front is a little bit different. But I think the model name is like exactly the same. I'll double check. Yeah, so you can control the unit with this remote. It's not super responsive, I tried it, but just having some kind of like remote option for this type of light is always beneficial, right? Yeah, so that's it. So in this box, I have the light. Let's see the name. I'm gonna just move the handle so that you can see the name, the VL150, and main power bar. And the V-mount power adapter, and the cables. Also the reflector that I haven't really heard many good things about this new style reflector they announced. The old one was apparently working better, and it kind of was easier to control the light with the old one. But at the same time, the build quality in this one's like super nice and hard. It's like, it used to be very cheap, kind of thin metal that was just like put into shape of the reflector before. But this one looks like, yeah, it's kind of thicker, kind of aluminum or maybe stainless. Probably stainless. Yeah. I'll leave it here. So that's it for the unboxing. I'm going to try this light for next few days and see what the major difference between this unit and the FV150, which I own. And if I can get my hands on the APUTURE 120D, the version 1 or version 2, or even the Godox SL60 or SL150, I'll try to make some video about the difference and what are the main, like the difference between each unit, and like what are the cons, what are the pros. Yeah, so stay tuned. Ciao.